هذه هي عقيدة ما يسمى بالجيش الإماراتي الصهيوني المرتزق بلسان أحد قادته. نحن نعبد الشيخ محمد بن زايد، نحن نقاتل مع حلفاء أمريكا، وإسرائيل حليف لأمريكا. تابعوا هذا الفيديو.
The only message I can deliver is they should listen to Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed whenever he tells them something, because he is our guidance and the wisdom comes out of that man, and we look at him and we just worship him. I don't think we are a threat to Israel, because we understand that like we are allies of the United States, Israel is another ally of the United States. UAE is not going to go and fight any of the United States allies. We're going to fight in the same line. We're going to defeat the same enemy. We're going to be there to support you like we did in Afghanistan. Your troops were moving under our aircrafts protecting them, and I think that is how the US should look at it. Having a strategic ally is more important than commercial deal, because we are not, like I said, enemies. United Arab Emirates does not want to be a friend of the United States. We want to be the best friend of the United States.
لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله. أترك لكم التعليق، والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله.